Here are 5 delicious mutton steak recipes that you can try at home. Lamb originates from a younger sheep, whereas mutton is the meat of an adult animal. Compared to lamb, mutton often has a more robust, gamier flavor and a rougher texture. It is a widely used component in many international cuisines, especially Middle Eastern, Indian, and British food. Grilled mutton steak with herbs. Marinate the mutton steak in a mixture of olive oil, rosemary, thyme, garlic, and red wine. Then grill the steaks over high heat until they reach your desired level of doneness. Mutton steak with mushroom sauce. Sear the mutton steaks in a hot pan until browned on both sides, then set them aside and make a rich mushroom sauce in the same pan. Serve the steaks with the sauce spooned over the top. Mutton steak with red wine reduction. Sauté sliced onions in a pan until they're soft, then add red wine and reduce it until it's thick and syrupy. Serve the sauce over the mutton steaks. Mutton steak with chimichurri sauce. Mix together fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic, red wine vinegar, and olive oil to make a tangy chimichurri sauce. Serve the sauce over grilled mutton steaks. Mutton steak with spicy tomato relish. Cook diced tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, and garlic together until the mixture is thick and fragrant. Serve the relish over grilled mutton steaks for a spicy and flavorful dish.